Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 here versus my Google Pixel 3. And I did a comparison of the night mode. Google calls it the night sight mode. Samsung calls it the super bright mode or bright night mode. The first thing that I want to mention is with the night mode on the Samsung, it is not dedicated. It only turns on when it's extremely dark. And I'll show you an example of that in 1 second. Also, when I take a night mode photo with the Samsung, you basically have to have the phone still for about 3 seconds. With the Google Pixel 3, it takes 5 to 6 seconds. Another very important thing to note is with the Samsung, you only have the night mode only on the back. On the Google Pixel 3, you have it on the back as well as the front. And the Google Pixel 3 is the only phone that I know that has it on the front as well. Now, there's other phones on the market that do have night mode, like the LG V40 as well as the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I'll have those videos coming out soon with some comparisons, so make sure you subscribe. Now with the Google Pixel 3, the only thing you got to do is go into your camera and then you want to select on more here. And then you tap on night sight right there. So tap on that and then you can kind of see the shutter button gives you like a half moon icon. And the same thing if I go to the front camera as well. Like I said, the Google Pixel 3 does have the night sight on the front camera as well. All the other phones, including Samsung, does not have it on the front. It's only on the back. Now with the S10 here, in order to put the night mode on is first you have to put on the scene optimizer right here. So basically when you put this on, you have to wait for it to show the half moon there. Right now it's not showing because it has to be extremely dark. Let me go ahead and turn some lights off here. Okay, you guys can see it's pretty dark here. And the half moon is still not coming on. Let me move into an area where it's darker because right now I have some sun coming in from my blinds. Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here where it's even darker. So let me walk on over there. Oh, it just turned. Oh wait, it turned to a home. That's not the night bright mode, so I need to go in an area that's even darker. Okay, it's getting ready to switch to something else. There we go. Now there is night bright mode right there. You can see that half moon on there. Okay, so both phones is currently on night mode. I can see the half moon there, and I can see the half moon here on the Pixel. Now let me go ahead and take a photo with the Samsung Galaxy S10 first, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's about 3 seconds. So you have to hold the camera steady for about 3 seconds. Now the Google Pixel takes about 5 to 6 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so about 3 seconds, about 5 to 6 seconds with the Google Pixel 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and include a side-by-side comparison on the night mode on the photos. Take note that every photo that you see me in, I basically use this tripod right here, and I put a 10-second timer on both of these, and then I ran into position. Now, after you see all the photos, make sure you guys comment which one you think is better between the two, okay?